Hello.
Good morning. My name is Lisa. What's your name?
My name's Jake. Nice to meet you.
I'm from England. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
I'm sorry. I have to go. Goodbye.
Me too. Bye. Hello.
Hi.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good night.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
Are you American?
Are you English?
I'm Canadian.
Do you speak English?
I speak a little.
I'm not very good.
I don't speak it well. What's your address? What's your date of birth?
What's your phone number? Where do you live?
What's the time?
What time is it?
It's 6:30.
It's early. When does the game end?
In 25 minutes.
How long does it last?
It lasts 48 minutes.
What's the score?
Knicks 48, Bulls 42. What time is it?
How long does it last?
When does it end?
It's 2 a.m.
It's 1 a.m.
It's 2 p.m.
It's 10 p.m.
It's 7:30.
It's 6:15.
It's 7:15.
It's late.
It's early.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What's the date today?
What month is it?
What year is it? I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Do you want some breakfast?
Yes. I'd like a big salad.
At 8 o'clock in the morning? We eat salad for lunch or for dinner.
I don't mind. What would you like?
Eggs. Would you like some eggs?
Yes. And I'd like a glass of wine too.
We don't drink wine for breakfast.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
Let's have breakfast.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have dinner.
Is your family close?
My family is close.
Are you married?
I'm single.
I love my family.
I love you. At the restaurant. Hello. Would you like a starter?
Yes. I'll have a prawn cocktail for the starter, please.
Fine. What would you like for the main course?
What do you recommend?
The burger is delicious.
I don't want meat. I don't like it.
The fish and vegetables are also very good.
OK. I'll have the fish and vegetables.
Fine. That's a good choice. I'll bring it right away. Enjoy your meal.
Can I see the wine list?
Could I have the bill, please?
Could I have the check, please?
How is your food?
It's on me.
This is delicious.
What's today's special?
What's the weather like?
Hello, Fred. What's the weather like in Glasgow?
It's cold. It's sunny, but it's 5 degrees Celsius.
Really? It's not very nice here either.
What's the temperature?
50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's windy and raining.
50 degrees? That's warm. What's the temperature? What's the weather like? It's hot.
It's cold. It's sunny.
The weather is bad.
The weather is nice.
At the department store. Hello. Can I help you?
I'm looking for a summer dress.
Here are some summer dresses. What size are you looking for?
Medium, please.
And which colour would you like?
I'd like a blue dress.
This dress is very pretty. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
What size are you looking for? The dress is large.
The dress is small. The shirt is too tight.
The shirt is too big for me. Can I help you?
Anything else?
Do you want to try it on?
I'll try it on.
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept checks? How much is the skirt?
How much are the trousers?
How much are the pants? It's cheap.
They're cheap. That's too expensive.
That's not expensive.
I'll pay by credit card. Where's the station? Look, we're here, in Central Park. How do we get to the Tourist Information Centre?
Look at the map. Times Square is in Midtown West, near Broadway. We can take the bus or the subway.
But we're not very far, you know. Let's walk there.
But the subway is just over there, in front of the post office.
No, let's walk. Then we can see the streets and buildings in New York. I want to see the buildings and the shops.
OK, let's go.
I want to take the train.
I want to take the bus. I want to take the underground.
I want to take the subway.
The train station is near the school.
How much does the flight cost?
A return ticket costs $500.
A round-trip ticket costs $500.
What is the departure gate?
What is the arrival gate?
When is the next flight to Sydney?
Job interview. Where have you worked?
I worked for a magazine, The Weekly World.
Did you write articles for the magazine?
Yes, I wrote several articles.
What subjects did you write about?
I wrote about popular culture. Here are some of the articles.
These articles are very good. You have the job.
Thank you very much. When can I start?
Next Monday. I'll see you on Monday at 9 o'clock. What do you do for a living?
I'm a journalist.
I'm a teacher.
What do you want to do later on in life?
I want to be a teacher. Why do you want this position?
Because I want to be a journalist.
I like to help.
I like to write.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 3 months.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
No, I can't help you.
What do you want me to do?
Right away. What did you do last night?
What did you do last week?
What did you do the day before yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
What do you want to do?
I want to go out.
I want to stay in.
I want to watch television.
I want to watch TV. I'm ill. Hi, Melanie. What are you doing today?
Going to play tennis. Do you want to come?
No, I can't go out today. I'm ill.
That's a shame. If you like and if you feel better, we could play on Thursday or Friday.
Yes, that'd be great. If I feel better, we'll play on Friday.
Good. Call me on Thursday to confirm. Take care of yourself.
How are you feeling?
I'm ill.
I'm sick.
I'm in good health.
I'm not very well.
I'm very well.
I want to be in good shape.
I want to gain weight.
I want to put on weight.
I want to lose weight.
Where does it hurt?
My arm hurts.
My back hurts. My hand hurts.
My feet hurt. My legs hurt.
I have a pain in my foot. Can you recommend a doctor?
Can you recommend a dentist?
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a dentist.
Family photo.
Look at this photo of my family, Sam. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What a big family. This is you, and those are your parents, I think.
Yes, that's my mother and that's my father. Look at this photo. This is my little sister, Patricia.
And those are your brothers?
Yes, this is my oldest brother, Mick. And that's my youngest brother, Steve.
And who's that?
That's Monica, Mick's wife.
Do you have a big family?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
My family is big.
My family is small. What a nice family.
What a big family. What a small family. What are you doing?
What do you usually do in summer?
In summer, I play football, I swim, and I run.
Do you travel in the summer?
Yes, I often travel in the summer. I like travelling. It's fun. In winter, I stay in England, and in summer, I travel to Spain.
In summer, you don't need many clothes. Only shorts, a t-shirt, and sandals. But in winter, you need to wear more.
That's right. It's cold in winter in Europe, and I wear a hat, a scarf, a coat, and gloves.
Look at this photo. You are with your family. What are you doing?
We're playing in the snow. What do you usually do?
What are you doing?
I play football.
I like travelling. It's fun.
It's boring.
That's right. Look at the animals.
Look at the people.
I miss you.